Hello, today I want to share with you this walking pad. I've had this for a couple weeks now and it has come in handy so much in making sure I get my steps in every day, reaching my goals that I would like to do as far as walking and exercising goes. There's so many reasons why I chose this walking pad. I love that it folds up. Most walking pads, yes, they can fit under a bed or a couch or something, but they're still really long. They just still take up a lot of space. And I love how this one folds up and it genuinely does not take up a lot of space. It is heavy. It's a walking pad. It's going to be heavy, but there are wheels on it to help move it around. I love that I can get my steps in and be checking emails or folding laundry or whatever. Today I'm going to show you how I set it up. So here we go. Real quick, I just wanted to show you these durable wheels on both sides that help move this around, whether it's on carpet or hard floors, whatever you have, this is going to move around very easy. I'm about to plug this in. Here is the outlet right here. And then once it's plugged in, this is the power button and I'll turn that on. When you go to unfold the walking pad, you might think that the band is too tight, but no worries. It's actually just right. Just continue to unfold the walking pad with a little pressure and it will be good to go. So to operate this walking pad, all there is on the actual walking pad itself is that power switch. You will operate the pad with this little remote. It's very basic. It's not overcomplicated, and that's what I love about this. Something that's just basic and going to do the job, and this does that. To turn the walking pad on, you're just gonna press this middle button right here. And once those 3 beeps go, the machine will start walking. It's a very slow pace, but it actually just detected I went on there and so it stopped going. So we're gonna start this again with me on there and show you all the different speeds and whatnot. So now I'm on here. I'm gonna press this middle button. And now I'm walking. This is a very slow speed. This has the plus and the minus sign, so you can go faster or slower. And now I'm coming back down. It has 6 different speed settings. This will show you how many calories you've burned, how many steps you've taken, how long you've been walking, as far as time goes, and how long you've been walking, like, say like if you walked for miles. It does all of that on here. And to stop it just now, I just pressed that middle button again and it stopped. It is literally that simple. So to turn it off, you would just hit that power button. You definitely want to unplug this every time if you go to move it around, especially because it'll bend and mess up that wire. It'll mess up the machine and you just obviously want to take good care of it. I hope you have found this video helpful. I honestly recommend this to anyone who is needing something that will fit seamlessly into their daily life routine. I'm a mom of 5. I have littles at home. Yes, I could load them in a stroller and go for a walk, but it's really not that simple to do all the time. There's so many variables or different things that can come up that can hinder me from going and taking them walking. This is something I can do during nap time. I can do at different points throughout the day, and it just fits seamlessly into my lifestyle. So if that is something that you are looking for and you also need something that you can just put away, you're not going to have a big piece of clunky workout equipment in your living room, in your bedroom, in your office, wherever. This is something I would definitely consider because you can put it up, you can could it underneath furniture, you could even put it in a closet somewhere. It's just, they've thought of everything. They truly have, and I highly recommend. 10 out of 10 for sure.